In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram DMs not sending. So the very first thing you want to do is just open up your Instagram app and go to the bottom right corner of the screen until you see your profile. Just click on your profile and then head to the top right corner of the screen until you see the three bar icon there. Just click on it. And what you want to do here is to go to your settings. Here, just look for help and just click on it. Once there, you just want to select the report a problem and make sure the shake phone to report a problem is turned off so that we could report the problem ourselves, and just click on report a problem. From here, just click on include and continue and just explain the problem you are currently experiencing. This is an example of what you could say on the report a problem page. Currently, I said currently having issues sending direct messages, DMs are not sending. So, if you have further details, for example, if you're running a business through Instagram, you could also include that it's affecting your business, or if you have a large following and it's affecting your account and your following, you could also include that. So, hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.